we made it to Johnson City. We have 10 minutes to find the altar. Good?
And I'm going home to the land of my father.
Alright, we left Johnson City, Tennessee. We are in North Carolina and it's snowing.
I'm staying home with my wife and my children, 'cause life on the road has been hard on them. I've seen beautiful places, thousands of faces, but I never felt like I belonged, doing what others find amazing. Some even put their
Alright, it's our last day. We're in Black Rock Mountain, something,
Yeah.
Georgia. Bye.
I'm building a home with my friends who feel like family, so others they can have a place to call their
Even when
own.
we are making loud noises.
And I'm staying.
What if something isn't it? What would we do?
I'll hold your
If it's a bear,
hand
don't
on
mind.
the back porch while our children grow up in the woods. I never knew that life could be this good.
Oh, there's a lot of rocks.
I've seen beautiful places.
Who's gonna make the best one?
Me. And then make
Bishop's gonna catch his on fire.
Oh, I already had this one. Look at mine. Mine is...
Uh-huh.
Others find amazing. Some even put their faith in. Means nothing if I'm never and I'm not selling out, and I'm not settling down, but I'm selling it all for the treasure I found here.